What gave you strength to rebuild yourself or to rise again?
Always believe there's no world called impossible.
You have been globally recognized from the APO Japan.
When they handpicked me to be a resource person to many countries,
You have traveled to Afghanistan for to inspire the women
my dharma has taught me and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
that you follows the Modi ji's ideology.
I always speak Bharat's vision of becoming a Vishwa Guru. I just wanted to be independent.
One habit that changed your life.
Enormous belief in myself and heartwards.
One book that you would like to recommend anyone.
The Guardian of Sanatan.
Yogi ji.
He is the future. You know that Bharat is in safe hands when you look at our Yogi ji.
Jai Sri Ram, Namaste. A warm welcome to all of you in my podcast Setu Talks. What if I tell you that your one decision can change your life? What if I tell you that your biggest struggle can become your biggest strength? Yes, Setu Talks is going to bring you the stories of real heroes who has given a lot toward the society. So today we have one of very special guest who is the social entrepreneur who has given a lot of things to the society. But before telling her name, I would like to give a short intro about her journey. She strongly follows the ideology of Modi ji, of Nari Shakti, Make in India, and many others. She has received a lots of awards like CNBC, Woman Entrepreneur of the Year, Woman Transforming India, many others. She is the founder of Nectar Fresh. She is one of the very great leader who is creating an impact on daily basis in the society. So, before telling the name, I would request you all, let's try to make a guess. Let me help you. She is the Honorable, respected Srimati Chaya Nanjappa.
Namaste, Fa.
A warm welcome to you, ma'am, and also the Setu Talks. Thank you, ma'am, for being there with us. It's an honor for us to host you here. Ma'am, would you like to introduce yourself to our audience?
I would just want to say, Meli, I am a sister to Apurva, and my name is Chaya Nanjappa. I run one of the successful unit of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission. I started with Hami, diversified into 40 products. I'm into tribal and rural empowerment. I source my products from self-help groups, clusters, and federations from across Bharat.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We all are feeling blessed because we are going to know about your journey. So let me start with some questions so that we can get to know more about you. So my first question is, ma'am, your journey must have not been easy. So what was the lowest point in your life and what gave you strength to rebuild yourself or to rise again?
That's an interesting question, actually, Apurva ji. In fact, in the year 2007, when I started the journey of Nectar Fresh, I didn't have a mentor, I didn't have a guide, but I knew that I wanted to be independent, not just for myself, but play a significant role in transforming society in whatever little means I could. And that made me start the brand Nectar Fresh. Challenges, I had plenty, but I always believe there's no world called impossible. And anything can happen if we are focused and we believe in ourselves.
That's great to learn, ma'am. And relevant to that, we are going to ask the second question. Many people faces challenge, but very few of them transform that into success. What made you different?
Well, it again depends in the values imbibed in you by your parents. This is where I feel I owe it to them for whatever I am today. They thought always that when we do something, we should also have society in mind, made me think I should never feel this low. Instead, this weak moment in my life should be converted to something that cannot merely bring in strength to me, but support many who require it. See, it again depends on the positivity around you and the people who influence you. That's the reason I feel you should have the right role models in your life.
Thank you so much. Now I'm going to ask some more relevant questions to your journey. Okay, we heard that you have been globally recognized from the APO Japan. Would you like to say something about that?
Being from rural Bharat, recognition takes time. And it can surprise you that my first recognition came from APO Japan when they handpicked me to be a resource Tulsi to many countries. So I have traveled across a lot of countries, and they chose me because I asked them, how did you identify me? They said that we always handpick people with practical knowledge about the particular sector they're looking at, and they felt my knowledge on sustaining, scaling up, and turning social enterprises to a profitable model within the 2-3 year time period is what they wanted to others to know about and learn from this journey. So that is how they identified me, and it was a wonderful experience traveling across the globe and doing my little bit to empower others.
That's great to know, and that's really motivating for all of us. So, like you said, traveling across the countries. I had one question. I heard that you have traveled to Afghanistan for like to inspire the women. Can you please tell us something about that?
6 to 7 years back, when this invite came from the then government of Afghanistan, amongst the few offers invited, I think 4 to 5 offers from across the country were invited. Lot of them backed out in the last moment when there were issues happening there. But I traveled, and I was very determined that I should do my little bit to support the women in Afghanistan, to empower them. After all, my dharma has taught me on Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I'm nothing more than walking your talk.
Yeah, I heard that many people have refused that opportunity, but you dared to say yes. So I believe, like you said, Dharma was behind you. So that's a great lesson for all of us. If we are on the right track, and if we have that pure determination, we can move forward.
We can make, in fact, we can move mountains. That is what I say.
Wow, that's so inspiring. I also heard that you have helped to remove the foreign brands in the hotel industries. What is that actually?
Usually, Khadi and village industries products are considered, back then, it was considered to be not of, premium standards. That is the thought process people had. I feel wonderful that I could change perceptions of people about the Khadi and Village Industries Commission's product. My unit Nectar Fresh is considered a pride of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission. This is my 19th year in the field.
Wow.
And I'm not the last unit of the REGP units. And when Modi ji speaks today of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, it's an overwhelming feeling of happiness. We stood out with our quality and ethics in work, and we made impossible things happen with sheer hard work by training our undereducated workforce to manufacture world-class products. And yes, it was a big moment when we replaced Berenberg and Bon Mema in India's 5-star hotels. And it's an overwhelming feeling to see Nectar Fresh in the breakfast tables of more than 300 premium hotels in the country.
That's so nice. And I believe this is one of the things which everyone should know. So how you are helping us to bring the India to the next level? You are one of the main support. Like you said, there are many, but you are one of those who inspire us on daily basis. So My next question, like you said, Khadi. So my next question is, like your unit is considered as the pride of Khadi and village industry. Anything about that?
When I travel across the globe, I speak about the KDIC with so much of warmth and so much of, it's a enormous feeling that I belong to that family. And the only thing nowadays I tell them is, it is time for me to give back to the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, and God willing, very soon I would be contributing back, because it is time for me to give back to the organization that has made me to be what it is today. Speaking of Apurva ji, I need to tell you, I did my training in CBRTI Pune. Back then, CBRTI was considered the one of the most well-known organizations in the Southeast Asian region, R&D Institute for Honey. And isn't it life? The journey of life is so unpredictable that I have been made the task force committee of the same CBRTI, where I learned for the 1 week now to revive the facility itself. Life is indeed very humbling.
That's so great. Ma'am, I also heard, like, we all knows that you follows the Modi ji's ideology. Like Nari Shakti, self-help group, Make in India. So would like to know about your contribution towards that.
I always see Bharat's vision of becoming a Vishwa Guru can be made possible at the earliest only if there is inclusive growth, where rural Bharat is part of the journey. That is where I feel self-help groups, clusters, federations, all these organizations, they're coming up with world-class products, but they need guidance, be it in technology transfer to improvise the quality. They need guidance on packaging. They need guidance on shelf life. So I help them guiding with technology transfers, and then guide the SOPs in place. Then eventually even market their produce under my brand name. So I have been doing it across Bharat, and very soon I think many self-help groups are going to be.
That's really great. Many helps to be provided to the women and others who are in need. So that's a great opportunity for all of us, I believe. And that's a small step towards making the India more independent. So, how did the idea of Nectarfest came to your mind?
At that low phase in my life, to be honest, I just wanted to be independent. Nothing came other than that. And my homeland then, Kur, was known for honey. And many asked me, how did this name Nectar Fresh came to your mind? In fact, it took me just 1 second, maybe just came in. Maybe blessings of Thai Kaveri, the land I come from, Thai Chamundeshwari, and all this just gave me that word came to my mind in a minute. And it has been a wonderful journey of tribal and rural empowerment. They say I'm the largest buyer of tribal honey in Bharat today. And for someone who was very hesitant, wondering where my 50 kgs of honey could I sell 17 years back, today to have the coming month onwards with our production going above 400 tons, I think it's an enormous feeling of satisfaction growing as a social enterprise in Bharat.
Wow. So, if you get the chance to speak to your younger version, what would you say to her?
Well, I would really say you had managed it well with the tough phases I have gone through. I think I've been happy the way the life's journey has taken its course. I'm happy that I stood up, became independent, and I've been doing my little bit for my, for Bharat, for my Dharma. And I don't have any regrets in which my journey has taken its route.
That's so great. And now we are coming up to the rapid fire. So in that, we are going to give you one word and you have to say whatever comes to your mind. So let me start with the first one, success.
is doing what you really love the most.
Fear.
Nothing.
Failure.
There's a road towards success.
Okay. One habit that changed your life.
Enormous belief in myself and hard work.
One book that you would like to recommend anyone.
Definitely yours, Pa.
Ah, that's so great.
The Guardian of Sanatan, because you taking time in between your corporate life to bridge the gap between I would say, the people who are so deep into our beliefs to the current generation where there's a big transformation in culture. So creating awareness, that's something so noble to us. Come from your so all of them should be reading this book because it is time we get connected to our roots. With the connection to our roots, we'll not merely become proud of what we are, but as human beings also, it can be a wonderful journey forward.
That's I'm really great. I'm feeling so blessed to know that. Thank you so much, Nat. Now we are going to give you two names. You have to say what you feel. The first one is Modi ji. So you'd like to say anything more?
Oh, what can I say about the man whom I could be one of his, staunchest supporters? I have been his supporter from 2001. I almost lost my job, my first and only job, which I was dependent on. And I didn't even mind losing it because I was very open to change the perceptions people had about him. And today, where our dear Modi ji is? Today, what Bharat is and how Bharat is respected globally, be it the way we have grown in the economic sense or our international relationships, his concern on the health and promoting yoga, or be it the manner in which the nationalistic thought has come to thousands and thousands of us. I would say to all people in Bharat today. Who is the person responsible for it? The person today we sit with pride and safety around everywhere. It has to be our dear Modi ji. What else? I don't get the right words to describe our dear Modi ji. All I could say is, may he be blessed always.
Wow, that's so nice of you. And that's so true that we all feel the same thing. And he's like that only. And now we are coming up with a second name, Yogi ji.
He is a future. You see UP right now, be it the infrastructure, the way the corruption has been dealt with, the way the crime rate was earlier to what it has been after he came to power. And I have seen it personally as I represented social enterprises in the G20 event at Agra. The phenomenal success of G20 itself was proof what our Yogi ji can do. And ODOP, you can see that implementing of ODOP was the most successful in UP. And recently we saw him in Japan. Oh, you know that Bharat is in safe hands when you look at our Yogi ji.
Wow, we all feel the same thing. That's so great to know about it. So, my dear audience, if you feel connected with Chaya Ma'am's journey, kindly don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, please stay tuned for the many more episodes coming. Now, as I told you at the beginning of my podcast, Chaya Ma'am is so humble. Even this is my very first episode, she said yes because she is always connected towards a value. And Chaya Ma'am's story is not only a story. Chaya Ma'am's journey, it's a reminder. If you have a true determination, if you have an honesty towards your goal, you will definitely achieve it. So, kindly stay connected, stay tuned. Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.